The dual-mode drone, model XYZ123, is a versatile toy that acts as both a mini drone and a toy car, ensuring double the entertainment for kids. This drone is equipped with ultra-bright, color-changing LED lights on the 4 propeller guards that can be adjusted to 11 different colors and modes, making it attractive both during the day and night. For safety and durability, the drone features a modular battery that is easy to install and charge, and is built with high-quality ABS material that can withstand numerous collisions or drops. The drone boasts multiple functions such as 3D flips and fly, one key taking off, landing, and auto-hovering function, headless mode, and 3 speed modes, making it easy and fun for kids and beginners to operate. An ideal gift for kids aged 8 to 12, this drone allows them to experience the joy of flying and inspires them to become talented pilots. With total flying time of 11 to 15 minutes and a low battery power alarm, kids can enjoy playing longer and practice more without any concern for loss or damage due to low power.